The bull-bear power indicator, also known as the Elder Ray Index, is a technical analysis tool designed to measure the balance of power between buyers, bulls, and sellers, bears. This indicator can be incorporated into your chart through the Indicator tab within the top toolbar. Developed by Alexander Elder, this tool aids traders in assessing trend strength by analyzing the relationship between closing prices and the highest prices within a specified period. At its core, the indicator employs a simple yet effective calculation method, subtracting the exponential moving average of closing prices from the highest price within the predefined period to determine the strength of either the bulls or the bears. Optimizing the indicator's effectiveness in different trading scenarios requires customization. Traders can adjust the period length to fine-tune the indicator's responsiveness to market conditions. However, this customization introduces a delicate balance, as shorter periods may yield more immediate signals but generate more noise, while longer periods may smooth out signals but risk lagging behind price movements. Additionally, users have the flexibility to modify the visualization of the indicator, including color, thickness, and style, to enhance clarity and distinguish it from other chart elements. Traders employ the bull-bear power indicator for a multitude of reasons. Firstly, the indicator provides traders with a clear and concise measure of market sentiment by gauging the balance of power between buyers, bulls, and sellers, bears. By analyzing the strength and direction of the indicator, traders can gain valuable insights into prevailing market sentiment and anticipate potential shifts in price direction. Moreover, traders use the indicator to assess the underlying strength of a trend. A positive value indicates bullish strength, suggesting buyers are in control and the uptrend may continue. Conversely, a negative value signifies bearish dominance, indicating potential weakness in the uptrend or the onset of a downtrend. By monitoring the indicator alongside price action, traders can confirm trend strength and make informed decisions about trade entries and exits. Furthermore, the indicator generates trading signals based on crossovers, divergences, and overbought-oversold conditions. Bullish crossovers above the zero line signal potential buying opportunities, while bearish crossovers below the zero line indicate potential selling opportunities. Traders also monitor divergences between price and the indicator, which can signal potential trend reversals. Additionally, extreme readings in the indicator may suggest overbought or oversold conditions, prompting traders to consider counter-trend or reversal trades to capitalize on market inefficiencies. However, despite its numerous advantages, it's crucial to acknowledge the indicator's limitations. Firstly, the indicator's lagging nature poses a significant challenge, as it relies on past price data to generate signals. This delay can result in missed trading opportunities or late entries and exits, diminishing the effectiveness of the indicator in capturing timely market movements. Secondly, the indicator's sensitivity to period length can lead to varying degrees of responsiveness and reliability. Shorter periods may yield more immediate signals, but also increase the likelihood of false positives, while longer periods may smooth out signals at the expense of timely responsiveness. Finding the optimal period length requires careful experimentation and adjustment. Lastly, the indicator's lack of contextual information limits its effectiveness in providing a comprehensive view of market conditions. While it offers insights into market sentiment and trend direction, it fails to account for external factors such as fundamental data, geopolitical events, or broader market trends. Traders must supplement their analysis with additional information to validate signals and avoid relying solely on the indicator, thereby mitigating the risk of making uninformed trading decisions.